Here are the directions for Lesson 17-2, counting hundreds, tens, and ones. Guided practice. Write the numbers. Use models in your work mat if needed. So what you will have to do here is look and see, are there any hundreds? Okay, if there are not any hundreds, we would put a 0 here. I do not see any hundred flats. How many tens? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So our number would be 58. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. How many hundred flats do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 400 flats. How many tens? We have 1, 2, 3 tens and 0 ones. So our number would be 430. Okay? Taking a look at number 4. How many hundred flats do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would write 5 hundreds. How many tens? I have 1 10, and then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So my number would be 516. Let's take a look at, do you understand? How many hundreds are in 395? So if we take a look at the number here, how many hundreds? What number is in the hundreds place? And that would be the 3. The 3 is in the hundreds place. So how many hundreds? 3 hundreds. So you should be writing this on your paper like I did here, 3 hundreds. And then how many tens? How many tens are there? There is a 9 in the tens place. So that would be 9 tens, or you would say 90. Because 9 tens represents 90. 9 tens. Okay? Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look at independent practice. Independent practice. So this is on your own. What you will need to do is write the numbers, use models in your work mat if needed. So what you're going to do on number 5, 6, 7, and 8 is the same exact thing we did for guided practice, what I just showed you. Write down how many hundreds, tens, and ones for each number, and then write the number here. Okay? Make sure if you have any questions you ask. And then when you're ready, let me erase that. Let's move up to number 9. Guess the number. It has 5 hundreds. The digit in the tens place is between 5 and 7. The number of ones is an even number that is less than 4, but more than 1. Now, that is a lot of information there, so I'm going to read it one more time. It has 5 hundreds, so you could put down 5. That would represent the 500s. The digit in the tens place is between 5 and 7. So think about what number is between 5 and 7, and that is the number in the tens place. The number of ones in the ones place is an even number that is less than 4, but more than 1. And that would be the number in the ones place. After you have those 3 digits written down, that's going to give you the secret number. Okay? I want you to give it a try first before you come ask for help, because I know you can do it. Alright, let's take a look at the back when you're ready. Problem solving. Solve the problems below. Number 10. Complete the chart. A number has an 8 in the hundreds place. It does not have any tens, and it has a 3 in the ones place. What's the number? So what you'll do is you will use this hundreds, tens, and ones chart here to fill in 8 in the hundred spot, nothing in the 10 spot, and 3 in the 1 spot, and that will give you the number. Number 11, look at the place value models. how many hundreds are shown. So they're just asking how many hundreds are shown, okay? And then let's take a look at journal. Choose a 3-digit number. That means there's 3 numbers. Draw hundreds, tens, and ones models for your number, and then write the number you show. So on number 12, what you're going to do is just like what they did on guided practice and independent practice. You think of a 3-digit number. Okay, that means it has to have a number in the hundreds, tens, and ones. That will give you a 3-digit number. Okay, then what you have to do is draw how many hundreds you would need, how many tens you would need, and how many ones you would need. And then write the number that you showed us with the hundreds, tens, and ones. When you are finished with this paper, please place it on the yellow table. And what I would like you to do is go into Seesaw, and I would like you to reflect on what you learned today by telling me a 3-digit number with how many hundreds are in that number, how many tens, and how many ones. I would like you to draw how many hundreds you would need, how many tens you would need, and how many ones you need, just like they did on the paper on guided practice, independent practice, and in the journal. When you are finished, please upload that to your Seesaw account, and I will take a look at it. Thank you.